Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a DIY Valentine's Day gift for the men. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So we're starting off with this letter V from Hobby Lobby. It's a fillable letter and it's $4.99. So I love using these because you can do so much with it. And so I'm choosing to go ahead and make a Valentine's Day gift for the men. So I'm taking off that sticker which has the price on it, and now I have my sponge brush and I have my paint of choice. This came from Hobby Lobby and it is chalk paint, and it is in a color, I think it's Maui Sand, and it was only $1.59. So normally when I buy my paints, I buy this size because I don't use it all the time, but and this is the perfect size for my projects. So now what I'm doing is just placing my paint onto some paper so I can go ahead and start painting. So I'm going to go ahead and add a thin layer of paint. And when I say thin, I mean not a lot of paint, because if you add too much to this type of material, then it will start to welt up. So I'm adding a thin layer of paint. I will add a second layer, but I won't do that on camera. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this letter, and then I'll be back. So now I'm going to use my handheld fan. Now I got this off of TikTok, and it actually is a handheld fan to keep you cool, but I usually use it on my projects such as this, and it works perfect and it is very powerful. So I'm using this to dry my letter, and it works wonders, y'all. So if you don't have a handheld fan for the summertime, go ahead and get you one. So now I'm just going to go ahead and finish painting the letter. I have to do the sides, and so I'm going to finish doing that, and then I'll be back. So now the letter is completely dried, and I am so happy I chose this color. It looks really good. The chalk paint always comes out to look so good and even. So I'm glad that I chose this color, and I did not paint the inside because I never do for some reason. So now we are going to use this sparkly glitter tape. And yes, I'm using it for a man's gift basket because it is not just for women. You can use things like this to elevate gifts, especially if you're DIYing it yourself. This makes it look more luxurious, more well put together, and I absolutely love how it turned out. So what I did was I added a little bit of hot glue to start off with, because this is like washi tape, and so it doesn't stick very well on a lot of different surfaces. So I added some hot glue to start it off with, and then I just allowed it to stick naturally to the letter, and I'm just running the tape all the way down alongside of the letter until the entire letter is completely covered. And as you can see, I'm holding it down in place just to make sure that it does not move. But for the most part, this washi tape is pretty good, but you will need to use a little bit of hot glue in different places in order for the washi tape to stay put. And like I said, I'm just running the tape all along the edge of the letter V until I get to that inside of the letter. And yeah. So this is how it looks, y'all. This looks so good. I told you, it doesn't look feminine. It looks very manly, very luxurious, and very well put together. I absolutely love it. So now I'm going to be using the Springfield decorative crinkle from Hobby Lobby. I think it was $2.99, and the color is adorable. It's almost the same color as the actual paint that I bought. So I'm just going to fill the letter in. I'm not using a lot. I want to fill it in to the point where you don't see the white at the bottom. I don't want to put too much because I am going to fill this letter with certain things. So I'm just adding my crinkle fill inside of the letter, and I'm just going to smooth it out. And like I said, I'm not going to add too much to the letter because I am adding things inside of this letter. So this is how it looks. So you cannot see the bottom of the letter inside, and I added just enough shred. So this is what I got from my husband. I'm taking the products out of the original packaging and I'm putting it inside of my packaging. And I love doing things like this because it's very unique, and it's just a way to be able to express yourself to the person that you're gifting it to. And so what I'm going to do is just place it inside the box. And I have this metallic curling ribbon from Hobby Lobby. It was only 99¢. So what I'm going to do with this is cut a few pieces off and then tie it around the top part of the letter V. So now I'm going to use the sticky dots by a company called Frills, or glue dots. It comes with 72, which is a lot. So I am using these to make sure that the items stay in place. I use these all the time and they work so good. So I'm only using 3, and I'm just going to stick it where it needs to be stuck and make sure that the items stay put. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I am done. I am not adding any sweets to this basket because my husband is not eating any sweets at the moment. So for someone who does not want any sweets or does not like sweets, you don't have to add sweets to a Valentine's Day basket. So my husband loves cologne, he loves shower gel, he loves body wash, all that stuff. So I'm getting him what he loves, and I think that this basket turned out to be so nice, so luxurious, so just manly, and I absolutely love how it turned out. So this is the final result. I absolutely love it. I didn't want to do too much to it because, like I said, it is a complete gift set that is inside of the basket. If you want, you can wrap it up in cellophane. You can do whatever you want to with it. I'm just giving you an idea on what you can do for your spouse for Valentine's Day. I think that this is a very unique and creative way to express your love for that person. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that red subscribe button and also like and share. And again, thanks for watching.